Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down top-rated tools and tech to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best drill bit set when it comes to titanium-coated performance. The DEWALT 14-piece titanium nitride coated drill bit set, model DW1354. This drill bit set has earned a legendary reputation among DIYers, home improvers, and even pros, and for good reason. Right out of the box, you'll notice the bits are housed in a tough, compact storage case. It's part of DEWALT's connectable tough case system, meaning you can stack and store multiple cases easily without clutter. It's clear, practical, and thoughtfully designed, with a transparent lid so you can see what's inside without opening it. Plus, the secure clip latch ensures nothing pops open by accident. Now, let's talk about the bits themselves. These aren't your average drill bits. DEWALT has coated each one with titanium nitride, a high-performance finish that extends the life of the bit, especially when you're drilling into metal. These bits stay sharper longer, reduce friction, and offer faster cutting. That titanium coating not only boosts durability but also gives them that iconic golden finish. But what really makes this set a standout is DEWALT's proprietary pilot point tip. The moment the drill touches your material, it bites in and starts cutting cleanly, no walking, no wobbling. That means more precise holes and less surface damage, especially critical when working with finished wood or sheet metal. You're not just drilling, you're gliding through. Each bit also features a patented web taper, which increases rigidity and reduces breakage. That's crucial when you're working on tougher materials or doing extended drilling sessions. The build quality here means you won't constantly be replacing broken or dull bits. The set includes 14 pieces with a standard shank, covering the most common sizes you'll need for wood, plastic, and metal applications. It's that perfect balance, compact yet comprehensive. Whether you're mounting shelves, drilling through a metal frame, or working on a plastic casing, this one set covers it all. And because of the thoughtful bit bar design, you can rearrange the bits in the case however you like. Whether you want to group them by project or reorder by size, you're in full control. It's customizable, intuitive, and designed for users who care about efficiency. This set fits easily into DEWALT's small and medium tough case plus systems, making it even more convenient for on-the-go pros or mobile toolkits. And for those just starting out in DIY, this is the kind of gear that gives you pro-level results without the frustration that often comes with entry-level tools. To sum it up, the DEWALT DW1354 isn't just a drill bit set, it's a workhorse engineered for reliability, speed, and accuracy. From the titanium nitride coating to the pilot point tips, every feature is designed to save you time, effort, and bit replacements. If you're looking to invest in a set that will serve you project after project, this is the one to get. It's compact, powerful, and built with the same industrial quality DEWALT is known for. That wraps up today's review here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tool insights, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to break down next. Thanks for watching, and keep building smart.